how to connect to a Wi-Fi network on Android. This tutorial shows you how to connect to Wi-Fi and scan a QR code to join a network on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, tap on Connections. From there, tap on Wi-Fi to open the Wi-Fi settings. At this point, toggle Wi-Fi on if it isn't already enabled. In the next step, you'll see a list of available networks nearby. Tap on any network to connect to it and enter the password if required. Following this, if you have a Wi-Fi QR code, tap on the QR icon at the top right corner of the Wi-Fi screen. Once done, point your camera at the QR code and your device will automatically scan it. Finally, once the QR code is recognized, your device will instantly connect to the network without needing to enter any password. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you connect to a Wi-Fi network, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.